You have probably seen commandos wearing camouflage and painting their faces in accordance with the environment in order to be camouflaged in natural conditions. This is a defense tactic that allows them to reach their targets without being seen by their enemies. Human beings learn this tactic from the camouflage masters of nature. These camouflage masters are animals that have no wisdom, knowledge, and power. Animals can protect themselves from external dangers with these inborn characteristics, and they can hunt easily by sneaking up upon their prey. Here are some of the animals created with the ability to camouflage. Chameleons that are adapted to the environment in seconds. Insects that are adapted to the leaves or tree branches they are on. Various fish and sea creatures that are almost unnoticeable in the place where they are. Owls that hide in tree trunks skillfully, and spiders. They are all masters of camouflage. This ability of camouflage in living beings is definitely a miracle of flawless creation, and it clearly shows the existence of Allah, who possesses infinite knowledge, will, power, and mercy. We ask those who deny creation and refer everything to causes and coincidence the following questions. Number 1. Camouflage is a vital need for both defense and hunting. How did these creatures feel their need, then analyze the environment and decide what changes should be made to them? Doubtlessly, the creatures that possess these characteristics when they were first created were not able to do this analysis before they were created. It is not possible for them to do so after they were created either. 2. How was a system that would change the appearance of a chameleon that changes color according to its environment placed in its body? Is it possible for a chemical system that is necessary for such a change in the body to come into being by chance? Or can such a system be formed by the living being itself? 3. How did these creatures have an impeccable resemblance to the color and shades of their environment? How do these animals adapt in an indistinguishable way to the environment in which they live, while even the most skilled painters spend hours trying to get the same color? Who placed the chemical laboratories in which they realized color change within their bodies? How did such harmonious colors emerge? When the existence of Allah is not accepted, these unanswerable questions will increase, and every answer will be irrational. Camouflage is a miracle of creation. The creatures performing camouflage do not make their bodies resemble a branch, a leaf, or a flower for protection or hunting. They are not even aware of their protection thanks to this camouflage. They have this defense tactic thanks to their creation by the will, infinite knowledge, and power of Allah. Allah is the creator of all things, and He is the guardian and disposer of all affairs.